together? So we were talking about research in the internet. We were talking about a community service. And we already wrote, what is a community service? What is community service? What is yes? Yes, very good. Unpaid work. You just say it's unpaid work. It's unpaid work that is done for the benefit of the what? Community. So if you are told to do community service, it basically means you will be unpaid. So it's unpaid work, but you are doing it for the benefit of the community. Most of the time it takes place, like a good example is in our churches, whereby the doctors come and they offer treatment for free. Have you seen that? Yeah. Yes, that is community service. We have community learning. What is community learning? Community learning. Yes? Yes. This is whereby you acquire knowledge. You acquire knowledge as you're offering the services. When you're offering services to the community, or when you're solving problems of a community. You are solving problems of a community, but at the same time you're gaining what? Knowledge. So you have to say that this is whereby you gain knowledge while offering a service to a community to solve what? A problem. So it's just like when you're in community service, you are doing work, right? Unpaid work, right? But you're still benefiting what? The community. But in community learning, it's whereby you're gaining knowledge. You're gaining knowledge when you're offering a service to the community to solve what? A problem. So in community learning, you're offering a solution to a problem. What is community service learning? Yes? Yes, yes, this is whereby you conduct research. You conduct research or you undertake a project for the benefit of the community. You undertake a project for the benefit of the community. Can you underline in your exercise book? Kindly, I want you to know the differences. When you talk about community service, it's an unpaid work done. Just say it's unpaid work. Unpaid work. Community service is unpaid work. Underline unpaid work. Of course, you know it's the benefit. All of them are for the benefit of the what? Community. So, you underline unpaid work. You did not write. You did not write? Yes, you should have written. Community learning is whereby you acquire knowledge. You acquire knowledge while participating in activities. So underline acquiring knowledge. Acquiring knowledge and skills while participating in activities. So you acquire knowledge. Or you just say you acquire knowledge when providing solutions. Community service learning. Now remember, community learning you acquire knowledge. But in community service you apply knowledge. You apply knowledge to undertake projects for the benefit of the community. You apply knowledge and conduct projects. You apply knowledge and conduct projects for the benefit of the community. So we said community service is unpaid work. Remember, it's for the benefit of the community. In community learning, we acquire the knowledge. When we are participating in the activity, we acquire knowledge. When we are solving the problems, when we are providing solutions, We acquire knowledge. But in community service learning, we apply knowledge. We apply knowledge and we conduct the project for the benefit of the community. Then we go to learning sports. Listen to the learning sports, kindly listen. We are in page 4. Those who have a book, we are in page 4. Sometimes we participate in activities that benefit our communities. Community service is voluntary work done for the benefit of the community. The learners in case study 1 did community service. You remember the one in case study 1? The ones for drug. The drug and service abuse are the ones, substance abuse are the ones who did community service. Community learning refers to when people in a neighborhood learn with each other as they share knowledge and skills when offering service to solve a problem in the community. That was case study 2. Case study 2, whereby they were learning how to grow kales and passion fruits. Community service learning involves learners participating in well-organized activities. This was in case study 3. So what are we saying? Whereby we talked about the members of the community, when the learners were educated, the members of the community on dangers of drug and substance abuse, that was community service. It was unpaid work. When we talked about growing kales, when they learned, the members learned how to grow kales and passion fruit, that was community what? Community learning. They were learning. They were gaining knowledge. They were sharing their knowledge with the neighbors. When you talk about community service learning, it is the case whereby the senior school were able to take their weekends and school holidays to promote literacy and numeracy. So they did this in order to enhance their own learning. They were enhancing their own learning. That is now it's community service what? Learning. So, what is the difference between community service and community service learning? We wrote it there. The difference. In community learning, it is whereby you share knowledge. You share knowledge. In community service learning, you share knowledge. You share knowledge to offer solutions. But in community service learning, you have to enhance your own learning. It is well organized. Actually, community service learning is well organized and addresses the needs of the community. That is basically it. Then we go to the statements there. Read the following statements and identify statements that describe community service learning. What we are learning today. Community service learning, number 1 here. You have to know that it integrates academic learning with service in the community. So, my friends and I combined our classroom learning with service to our community to enhance our learning experience while addressing a need in our community. What we are saying is, community service learning, it is when we are learning here in class. When we are learning and at the same time, we are using our knowledge to offer a solution to the what? Community. What are we talking about? If today we say we just get out of the school and we go to the neighborhood estate here and we start collecting litter. Yes? You see, if there is litter there, we are offering what? A solution. It's something we've learned in class and we are offering what? A solution. We are offering a service for free. Are you understanding? Also, when you go to D, it says, it is well organized and long term. My classmates and I conducting the activity for 3 months. If you conduct an activity for 3 months, that is community service learning. For 3 months, what are we saying? We are saying if you're conducting a free service or a service for the benefit of the community for 3 months. For example, we say today, grade 10, D. shall be serving other students for the next 3 months. That is community service learning. So that means that you go to the DH ahead of the other students and you start serving. And you do that for 3 months. That is community service learning. We also say that it emphasizes on reflection. My classmates and I analyzed our actions, their impact on the community, and how they connected with our learning class. We also wrote a report. So, after you go serve other students for 3 months, we come here, we talk about it. We talk about it every day. You see, every day we are serving students. Let's say after a week, after every week, we reflect on it. We say, what are the problems that we are incurring? How can we solve those problems? Yes? How can we make the serving what? Easier? Yes? And long term, how can we involve other students in taking part in what? Serving. Are you understanding? Yes. We reflect on it. Also, community service learning involves partnerships between education institutions and the community. Our class collaborated with the school community and other people whose help was needed. We have to collaborate with the person in charge of the estate where we are going to collect litter. Yes? So when we collaborate with them so that they can be able to know when we are there collecting litter, we are helping them so that they can benefit from our collection of what? Litter. That means if we collect litter, they're also going to know that they're not supposed to keep on littering around, right? We are collaborating with the what? Community. That is also community service learning. So tomorrow we'll go to the digital space. Digital space, we already wrote collaboration. Yes? Any question? We can reach there, right? Yes. Have a nice day.